Not really. That's down below the dashboard, so it's really not making any difference. Okay guys, we have a tricky one here. We have a line coming off of this one right here. Comes all the way down to here. This line comes all the way out to here. This line comes all the way up to here. And then we have another line somewhere that I can't quite see, but we're going to drill the center of it so I can get a better fill on it with my tool. And because it's in the black, as you know, we have to do this one by feel. We can't do it with a mirror. It's below the dashboard. So I want to open it up as much as I can, because I want to be able to get a good fill on it without putting a lot of pressure on it. I mean, this has got lines. It's a bullseye chip, but it's got lines coming off of it everywhere. I'm just talking to the camera.
Yeah, no, you're good. Here's this.
Cool. I'll hide that from the camera so people don't know who you are.
If I can, I'll just pay you now.
I would rather not, because if it cracks, I'm not going to charge you. I would rather wait and make sure about 10 minutes.
Alright, I'll wait 10 minutes.
Can you stay out for 10 minutes?
Yeah, I'll stay out. I'll just tell them I'm taking a break. I just barely got here, but I'm taking a break.
Right on. Well, it's important to get your windshield fixed.
Well, it is.
And
like I said yesterday, when it happened, I was on the freeway and I heard the rock hit it.
And you couldn't see it.
And I looked all around it and I thought, oh cool, yeah, it didn't chip.
Right.
And then last night, and I thought, oh shit.
And that's when you saw it. Yeah, anytime you can't see it from inside the car, always look in the black.
And then when I saw it, I thought, well, I gotta get that as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, as soon as you were open today, I thought, yeah, I'm calling. And, you know, all your reviews were perfect, and I thought, yeah, this is the guy I'm calling.
Well, I worked really hard for those reviews.
So, yeah.
I try not to crack windshields, and I try to get a better fill on the chips than most people do. And like I said, with this one being in the black, this close to the edge and having so many lines in it, and not being able to put a mirror behind it to see how much pressure I'm putting on the resin, I have to do it by feel. And I'm just really hoping that my feelers are in good shape today. And I have to keep it shaded because the resin cures in the sun. And at this stage, I honestly can't even see if the lines are filling. So this is all by feel now.
Right.
I mean, it's all just by experience. You know?
Like I said, I read all the reviews and I thought, yeah, I think this is the guy I'm calling.
Well, I'm glad you called me.
So,
We're going to do our best to fill this in and keep it from cracking on you. And we don't want it cracking 2 weeks down the road either.
no.
You know?
And I was cleaning it last night because I take it out to car shows and things like that.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
And, well, you know, darn thing's 17 years old.
Yeah.
It still looks pretty darn good.
It looks brand new.
Yeah.
I mean, I took a picture of it because I'm going to use a picture for the clickbait.
Cool.
I'm going to use a picture of your car for my clickbait on my YouTube channel.
Cool, cool.
And I think I just saw this line fill in.
Nice.
It just disappeared, so that's a beautiful thing. Now, I'm not going to add any more pressure, because if I do, because that line's full now, if I add more pressure, it's like putting...
Add additional pressure.
Yeah, it's like putting 200 psi into a garden hose. It's going to go, you know. So now that I know it filled, I'm just going to let the pressure sit for a minute, because I'm waiting for that bottom line to fill. And it's a little bit longer. It's really hard to see. I'm trained for this, so I can see the lines that you can't see.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the camera can pick up on them, but I don't know. Sometimes the camera picks up on things and sometimes it doesn't. Just depends on the day. Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Look how beautiful that is.
Way better.
Isn't that insane?
Way better.
This bottom line won't be completely invisible, but I did see the resin go into it, so I know it's full.
Cool.
And if it does crack, it'll just go to the bottom of the glass. I was more concerned about these 3 lines coming up here than I was about that bottom one. I could put more pressure on the tool to fill that bottom one, but it's just going to make a greater chance of cracking while I'm repairing it. So I'm going to let that sit and cure for a minute. I told you it wouldn't take very long.
Cool. Well,
doing them by feel, I hate doing them by feel, man. I really do.
It's like I said, I didn't know anything about it. When I did see it, I thought, oh yeah, I gotta jump on that right away.
And we got all this wind on the camera today, so the microphone's getting hammered by the wind.
Right.
I'm not sure how much people can hear me, or when I edit the video, I'll try to kill some of the distortion from the wind, but it doesn't work very well. It's hard to get wind out of a video. But let me give you a card.
Perfect. Yeah.
This one will definitely be on my channel sometime.
Okay. Cool.
There's my YouTube channel.
Awesome.
And my Google.
And yeah, perfect.
So yeah, I just wanted to just very lightly, like I said, without being able to put a mirror behind it, I can't see how much pressure I'm getting on the resin because I can't see the expansion of the rubber tip.
Right.
That expansion on that rubber tip, when it expands and I see it expand in the mirror, that tells me how much pressure I'm putting on the chip. But when I can't see if it's expanding or not, I just have to do it by feel. And I believe we did pretty good. I believe we did really good, actually.
Good.
As you can see, it's completely full. I didn't do a before and after picture, but I'm sure that'll show up on video.
I'm excited.
Well, I'm glad. Yeah, she's full. She's completely full of resin. I'm putting a lot of pressure on it to get it clean, so I don't like leaving streaks on people's windshields. Oh yeah, I can tell that line filled, and that line over there. That line came all the way up to here, and it's pretty much invisible now, so you're always going to be able to see little hints of the lines and stuff because the refractory index of the resin is lower. So the glass has a lower refractory index, so you're going to see the lines.
Right. Awesome.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
Right on.
Yes, sir.
That was a pretty good sized chip too. It was about the size of a Right on. Alright, let me turn off my camera. Alright guys, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video, throw me some love, and I'll see you in the next video.